Hello world, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can integrate Clickfunnels with WordPress. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies to help you build a successful passive online business. So you must be thinking, why do we have to connect WordPress to Clickfunnels? Well, there are a couple of reasons for that. First, people don't have enough technical knowledge to add custom domain to a ClickFunnels account, and they don't know that you can add custom domains in ClickFunnels. So basically, it's all about keeping the same domain which they have on their website as well as on ClickFunnels, so that the URLs are all same. That is the most important reason which I can think of, which I know why people want to integrate WordPress with ClickFunnels. Personally, I haven't done it, and I have no plans of integrating ClickFunnels with my WordPress account. But for this video purpose, there must be some people out there who may be interested. So I'm doing a demo for you guys. So let me take you inside my computer and I will show you step by step as to how you can connect ClickFunnels to WordPress. The very first thing which you have to do, you need to go to your WordPress account and click on plugins, then add new. So we are going to add ClickFunnels plugin over here. So we'll search for ClickFunnels. Okay, so it will come up with a few options. So which one you're looking for? You're looking for this particular plugin, which is from Edison LLC. So we'll click on install now, and it will do its thing and gonna install. And after that, we need to click on activate. All right, the plugin has been activated, and on the left hand side you will see you have got this option for ClickFunnels over here. Now we need to go into settings, and now we have to make this connection between ClickFunnels and WordPress. So what we need is an API key from ClickFunnels. So for that, we need to log into our ClickFunnels account, and on the top right side, go into account settings. You will come to this particular page, and then scroll down at the bottom where you will see this WordPress API. View your WordPress API key. Click on expand, and this is the key. Just copy it. Now go back to WordPress and type in your ClickFunnels email. I've done it, and this is the token, which is the API key. Now you need to click on save settings, and now we need to check whether the API key has been accepted. So we need to go into compatibility check, and over here it says it is not connected. Now let me just pause the video for some time while I find the solution to this problem. Hey, welcome back, and the issue has been resolved. It was silly me. I was not copying the key correctly. There was one character missing from the beginning. So that was just a silly mistake. And now the API key has been accepted, and you can see now it is connected. Now next, what you have to do, you need to go into general settings, and for page display method, there's a drop down. Click on it and select embed full page iframe, and leave everything like this. Click on save settings. Now everything has been connected, and now let's add our sales funnel inside WordPress. So for that, again go to ClickFunnels and click on add new, and now you will come to this page. On this, choose page type, keep it as regular page, and now choose a funnel. So I've got all these funnels inside my ClickFunnels account, and now I need to use, let's see, free affiliate bootcamp. Let's take this one. All right, so let's do this. and we have this URL here. That's okay, and I can also do my own path over here. So I'll do free training. So what happens here is, this is the URL from Clickfunnels, and now this is going to be my URL based on my blog's URL. So let's click on save page. All right, and now let's copy this and let's paste it in a new window, and let's see what happens. Boom! That's my opt-in page from my Clickfunnels. So as you can see, what we have done, we have connected Clickfunnels to WordPress. So now I am able to use my own original domain which I have for my blog. I can use it for Clickfunnels as well, and the other one is also going to work. Let me show you. So let's copy this, open a new tab, paste. Boom. Here we go. So you can see both the URLs are working. So guys, that is all about this particular video. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and setting up your own online business, check out the free course which is in the description down below. And if you found some value out of this video, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.